How to buy options on XTB. Follow my instructions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy digital options on XTB using the xStation platform. After logging into your XTB account, you'll land on the main trading dashboard. Here, you'll see various panels including Market Watch on the left, the main price chart in the center, and your open instruments at the bottom. To get started, head to the Market Watch section and choose the asset you want to trade. You can type the name of the asset in the search bar. For example, Eurist. A drop-down will appear with matching results. Click the Set button next to the asset you want to open in the chart. Once your selected asset is loaded, you'll see its price movement live on the chart. This helps you analyze whether to place a call or put option based on market trends. Although the digital options trading panel is not visible in this screenshot, the next step would be to open that panel, select call or put, set your expiry time and trade amount, and confirm your trade. This is how you begin the process of placing a digital option on XTB's xStation platform. Stay tuned for the next part, where I'll show you how to select the option type and finalize your trade. If you have any questions or want a tutorial on a specific platform, drop a comment below, and I'll try to cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching.